Hello and welcome to Advanced Communities. Today, we will show you how to create local events with different event packages in AC Events Enterprise and explain what each package is for. With this functionality, you can determine the level of access participants have to the event. For example, you can create a standard package for those who just want to attend the event and a VIP package for those who want to attend additional sessions or workshops. You can also offer a free package for online attendees and a paid package for those attending in person. In AC Events Enterprise, we have 4 types of packages: free, free with donation, paid, and paid with donation. The options with donations allow users to add a donation amount at the end of the registration process. Now, let's create an event. Assign the event visibility, zone, type, sales start and end date. Note that for the address field, we have integration with Google Places API, so when entering an address or even a place's name, Google will automatically collect this information and fill out the latitude and longitude fields. Enter the event details, activate the Publish checkbox, and save the event. Now, our event is available in the community. Let's check it out as a community user. As you can see, it's not available for registration because the sold out status is displayed. The reason for this is that we haven't created any packages for this event yet. So, let's go back and create some. Go to the Related tab on the event page. You'll notice that no packages are displayed here. To create one, click New. There are 2 record types for event packages, free and paid. First, let's create a free package. Enter the package name. The payment method fields are not relevant for the free package, so let's skip them. You can also define the start and end dates when this package will be available. Then, set the package capacity by entering the number of people who can register for this package. Additionally, you can add a waitlist capacity if needed. This allows users to add themselves to the waitlist when the package capacity is filled, and they will be automatically registered for this package if someone cancels their registration. Save the package. Next, let's create another package. Click New, enter the package name, and this time let's create a free with donation package. Enter the sales start and end dates, set the package and waitlist capacity, and click Save. Now, let's create a paid package. Click New and select the paid record type. The process is very similar to creating a free package, but this time you'll need to set up the payment method and package price. Enter the package name, then set the price, $100 for example, along with the package and waitlist capacity. For paid packages, we offer group pricing functionality. You'll see fields for Group 1 attendees and Group 1 price per attendee. For example, if a user registers 2 attendees, the price will be $90 for each attendee instead of $100. If registering a group of 4, the price will be $80 each, and $70 each for a group of 6. In the description field, you can provide additional information about pricing tiers, and this will be visible to users. Save the package. Finally, let's create the last package, paid with donation. The process is the same as for the regular paid package. Done! Now, let's log into the community as Katie Johnson. As you can see, the register button is now available for Katie. Once we click on it, we can see all the packages we've just created. Behind the info icons, you'll find the additional details you entered in the description field while creating the package. For now, let's select the free with donation package. Katie's details are filled out automatically since she is a logged-in user. Click Save and Next to proceed to the payment step, where users can add their donation, or click Save and Next to skip this step. Now, let's look at the paid with donation package. Here, users can add a donation to their payment for participation or proceed with the payment without adding a donation. They can also use a voucher for a discount if they have one. Let's go back and register for the free with donation package. I'll add a $20 donation, then enter my card details, click Save and Next, and now we're registered. Internally, we can see Katie Johnson as a confirmed participant with the free with donation package. If we go to Katie's participation record, we can find the event transaction and see all payment details, such as the amount, transaction ID, package name, etc. That's how it works. Thank you for watching. See you next time.